I've only smoked a pork butt one other time, man, and we loved it. It was delicious. But man, a pork butt yields a lot of meat. You know, there's only three of us, man, and we ate pulled pork sandwiches and until they were coming out of our ears. Well, check this out. Aldi has a half pork butt. This is just gonna be just perfect, man. And not to mention, it's not gonna take me 8-9 hours to do a pork butt this size. All right, so let's get it prepped. So let's get a good look at this pork butt. You can see that there's not much of a fat cap left on it. We do need to get this part right here off. So this is hard fat that's not gonna render. So we're gonna cut this off. Give it a little sweet component. I'm gonna put a little bit of this sweet and smoky on here. Then let's finish it off with some coarse ground pepper. Now let's put this thing in the fridge and let it chill until our grill comes up to temp. I have been monitoring the temperature inside the grill and I am more than satisfied that it's stable enough for me to go ahead and put my meat on. My smoke is looking good as well, so let's go ahead and do it. All right, I've kind of lost time, but I think it's been about 3 hours, man. He's been holding steady right around 2:30. I'm going to come out here and I got some apple cider vinegar in this bottle right here, so I'm gonna spritz it. Spritzing is not something that I've done before, mainly because I just don't want to keep walking out to the grill every 30 minutes, man. Brother, knees is bad. But I want to try it with this. Supposedly, it helps develop a bark. So I'm going to spritz it with this apple cider vinegar, come back every 30 minutes until it's time to wrap, and we'll see if it was worth the effort. All right, man, I'm not gonna bring you back for every one of those, but I'm gonna do it till my internal temperature hits about 165 or so every 30 minutes. All right, my internal temperature is above 165 now, so it's time to wrap this thing, baby. Let's get a look at it. The scratch test is good. That means my bark is set. So I'm getting ready to get this thing off of here. Well, like I said, it's only at 165 internal, actually closer to 170, but just now when I probed it, it's already probing temper. It's already probing tender. So I think this is gonna be a good one, man. I'm gonna let it go to about 190, 200 or something like that, so it pulls really easy. This baby is done, y'all. It is reading 205 degrees internal. It's ready to go. I'm going to pull it off and let it rest for a while. It's way too hot to pull right now anyway.